So hello everyone, welcome back to EduGuru. This is aptitude and reasoning course for all students for any examination. और आज के इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं नंबर सिस्टम वाले चैप्टर की। इस वीडियो में हम जान रहे होंगे कि नंबर सिस्टम है क्या, उसके कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं, रियल नंबर क्या होता है, इंटीजर्स क्या होता है और भी काफी सारी चीजें। तो विदाउट टाइम वेस्ट करें शुरुआत करते हैं इस शानदार से न्यू चैप्टर की।
Number systems. A number is a mathematical object used to count, measure, and also label. For example, there are 5 birds on the tree. The height of the Statue of Liberty is 46 meters. A single number is called a digit like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Every digit in a number has its own face value and place value. For example, in the number 6521, the place and face values of the digits are given below. Here the face value of given number is 6521. The face value of 6 is 6. The face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 2 is 2. And the face value of 1 is 1. And the place value of the given number is 6521. The place value of 6 is 6 into 1000, that is 6000. The place value of 5 is 5 into 100, that is 500. The place value of 2 is 2 into 10, that is 20. And the place value of 1 is 1 into 1, that is 1. Now, let's see the types of numbers. Natural numbers n. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinity are natural numbers. Whole numbers w. All the natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. So whole numbers w equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinity are whole numbers. Except 0, all numbers are natural numbers. Now, integers z. All positive numbers and negative numbers including 0 are called integers. 0, 1, 2, 3, infinity are integers. -1, -2, -3 to infinity are negative integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative integer. Rational numbers q. The numbers in the form of p by q are known as rational numbers. Rational numbers q equals to 5 by 6, 8 by 7, 3 by 1, 17, etc. are rational numbers. Irrational numbers are cubed. The numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q are known as irrational numbers. For example, irrational numbers equals to √2, √5, pi, etc. are irrational numbers. Now, real numbers are a combination of both the rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. R equals to 1, 8, 5 by 6, √5, √17, etc. are real numbers. Even numbers. Numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are known as even numbers. Even numbers equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Odd numbers. Numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2 are known as odd numbers. Odd numbers equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. Prime numbers. A number which is divisible by 1 and itself is known as prime number. Prime numbers have only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Prime numbers equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. Composite numbers. Numbers which are not prime numbers are known as composite numbers. Composite numbers equals to 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, so on. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. 2 is the only even number which is prime. Ascending order. Numbers are said to be in the ascending order when they are arranged from the smallest to the largest number. Let's see the example in the ascending order. 5, 9, 13, 17 and 21 are arranged in the ascending order. Descending order. Numbers are said to be in the descending order when they are arranged from the largest to the smallest number. Let's see the example in descending order. 21, 17, 13, 9 and 5 are arranged in the descending order. Division. Let's see the example. Divide the number 1 to 6 with 5. In the above division, divisor is 5, dividend is 126, quotient is 25 and remainder is 1. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If we get the remainder as 0, then the dividend is said to be perfectly divisible by divisor. There are different rules of divisibility for different numbers. For example, a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of that number is an even number. For example, take 120. Here the last digit of 120 is 0, which is an even number. So 120 is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of that number is divisible by 3. For example, take 363. Here the sum of the digits is 3 plus 6 plus 3. That equals to 12, which is divisible by 3. So the number 363 is perfectly divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits of that number is divisible by 4. For example, take 1024. Here the last two digits of 1024 is 24, which is divisible by 4. So the number 1024 is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit of that number is 0 or 5. For example, take 2025. The last digit of 2025 is 5. So the number 2025 is divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 6 if that number is divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, take 2496. Here, the last digit of the number 2496 is 6, which is an even number. So the number 2496 is divisible by 2. And the sum of the digits of the number 2496 is 2 plus 4 plus 9 plus 6 equal to 21, which is divisible by 3. So 2496 is divisible by 3. As 2496 is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 6. We will explain the divisibility rule of 7 by an example. For example, 1029. First we take the digit in the units place, that is 9. Then that digit is doubled and it is subtracted from the number obtained after omitting the units digit. The double of 9 is 18. And when we subtract it from the remaining part of the number, that is 102. So 102 minus 18 equal to 84. We got 84, which is divisible by 7. So the number 1029 is divisible by 7. Now, the divisibility rule for 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits of the number is divisible by 8. For example, take the number 2168. Here, the last three digits, that is 168, which can be divided by 8. So the number 2168 is also divisible by 8. The divisibility rule of 9 is similar to the divisibility rule of 3. A number is divisible by 9 if the number of digits of that number is divisible by 9. For example, take 1458. Here, the sum of the digits is 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8. That equals to 18, which is divisible by 9. So the number 1458 also divisible by 9. Now, BODMAS rule. The word BODMAS represents the order of the calculation, that is, in the order of signs. B represents brackets, curly brackets, square brackets. O represents off, D represents division, M represents multiplication, A represents addition, S represents subtraction. Let's see the example. 42 divided by 7 into 5 equals to how much? According to BODMAS rule, first we solve division and then multiplication. That is, 42 divided by 7 equals to 6. Then 6 into 5 equals to 30.